Okay, this morning we're going to teach you how to make cinnamon rolls. You start with 3 tablespoons of bluebonnet margarine in your bread machine, 1 egg, 1 1/2 cups water, 5 cups flour, and I've put this in 2 different containers because it's kind of heavy, so it's easier if I do it in 2 for this demonstration. All right, and here's the rest of the flour, and this is bread flour, by the way. And then we add 3/8 cup of sugar, and next is 1 1/2 teaspoons of salt, and you sprinkle the salt around the outside. And then you have 4 tablespoons of bread machine yeast, and you make a well in the middle, kind of a little hole. Pour the yeast in there, cover it up, and you put the pan in the bread machine, close the lid, and you set it for whatever the dough cycle is. And on mine it happens to be 9. So I'll go up to 9, hit start, and it shows 1 hour and 30 minutes. Now, you take 1 stick of bluebonnet margarine and put it in a measuring cup because we're going to melt it later on. And this is 5/8 tablespoons of bluebonnet margarine because I use 3 tablespoons for the recipe. So the rest you pour into this, and we'll save that for later. And now you can walk away and forget it for 1 hour and a half.